grandchild. Once upon the hills of the people, the great deeds of a wise man called Johann once echoed these words to my ears. Silver and gold can't buy you happiness, but there is copper and silver ebulliently interred by incredible men and women of the Khoemacau mine, looking like God, excitedly massaging the hands and feet of a pregnant economy, preparing for the birth of a historical epoch in the land you now call home. Oh, my dear great-grandchild, may you never forget that it is through the age of this mine that prosperity knows you by name. For it is like the blazing wings of a phoenix, buried underneath 14 stars that are shaped like scars, and moons and children of love only known to the plains of the Ngami land, Mother Nature. So let this mine bring hope to your eyes and round your feet with sweet memories enough to chase away the recession and hunger boogeymen from the darkest streets of your community. Let it bring sustainable developments that you and many more generations after you shall enjoy, for that is what I call happiness. A symbiotic harmony reverently reciprocating through the safe louvers of this hope, exuding fully mechanized underground mine and the northwest environment and its remarkable inhabitants. That is what I call happiness. So to you, Mr. Johann, and your incredible team, may God's grace follow the tune of your heart as your hands continue to carve many more prolific partnerships around this country. Ka Khoemacau ka go kgona